Bullish Quantum, QTUM, cost expectations range somewhere in the range of $9.54 and $18.02 by 2030. Market examiners accept QTUM could reach $7.42 by 2025. Bearish Quantum market cost expectation for 2023 is $1.70. Quantum, QTUM, presentation Quantum, QTUM, is a crossover blockchain application stage. It overcomes any issues among Bitcoin and Ethereum by joining their best highlights. Qtum utilizes the UTXO model of Bitcoin and the ERC20 token norm of Ethereum. This permits it to run shrewd agreements and decentralized applications, dApps, while as yet handling high volumes of exchanges rapidly. The Qtum group is driven by Patrick Dye, a previous Alibaba leader, and Bruce Fenton, board overseer of the Bitcoin establishment. They have gathered a great group of consultants, including Roger Ver, Anthony D'Iorio, Zhu Star, Misthos Ionu, Kevin Goffman, and Wei Benyuo. The Qtum project has gotten help from a few major names in the crypto space. In WAC 2017, they raised $1 million from Finbushi Capital. In April 2017, they raised $4 million from organizers Asset Angelist, Fangel. Also, in September 2017, they brought $15 million up in an ICO. What makes Qtum special? The Qtum blockchain has two novel advances that expect to settle the four issues its originators seen as most tricky in BTC and ETH blockchain stages: Record Reflection Layer, UL, and Decentralized Administration Convention, DGP. The Record Reflection Layer, UL, considers more prominent interoperability between the Qtum blockchain and other blockchains, and between shrewd agreements and genuine applications. This is on the grounds that it really makes a span between various blockchains, considering simpler collaboration. Moreover, UL makes it conceivable to interface brilliant agreements with certifiable applications, which has been challenging to do as of recently. The Decentralized Administration Convention, DGP, resolves the issue of administration in blockchain stages. Under DGP, explicit boundaries of the Qtum blockchain can be adjusted by anybody who holds QTUM tokens, including things like as far as possible or block size. Significantly, these progressions are made through casting a ballot, guaranteeing that all partners have something to do with how the stage is run. Furthermore, DGP assists with making the Qtum stage more adaptable, as changes can be made rapidly and effectively if necessary. Qtum, QTUM, value gauge. A few variables add to this hopeful Qtum cost forecast. Qtum, first and foremost, has solid essentials with a huge and developing local area behind it. The group has additionally effectively executed its guide, bringing about various organizations and incorporations with significant organizations, for example, Google and Amazon Web Administrations. At last, the new send-off of fundamental net marking is supposed to drive further reception of Qtum as it becomes one of the most open stages for decentralized applications and brilliant agreements. With these positive turns of events, it's no big surprise that the Qtum cost is gauged to keep ascending all through 2030 and then some. Qtum, QTUM, current value Quantum is as of now worth $2.12 United States dollars. QTUM has moved 3.17% as of now with an exchanging volume of $19,822,010. Quantum is right now positioned 112 among all digital currencies with a market capitalization of $222,103,728 United States dollars. Using the general strength list, RSI, moving weighted normal, MWA, Williams fractal, and moving normal combination disparity, MACD, from the diagram above, we can decide cost designs for Quantum, QTUM, to conclude whether having a bullish or negative year is going. Our cost expectation figures utilize constant Quantum, QTUM, market information, and all information is refreshed live on our site. This permits us to give dynamic cost forecasts in light of current market movement. Quantum, QTUM, value forecast 2023 Quantum, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astonishing cryptographic forms of money to rise this year, QTUM. The QTUM cost figure for 2023 expects a huge expansion in the year's last part, conceivably coming to $3.18. Similarly as with other digital currencies, the ascent will be progressive, yet no significant drops are normal. Averaging $2.97 in cost is very aggressive, however it is attainable soon given expected coordinated efforts and progressions. QTUM is supposed to have a base worth of $2.54. Qtum, QTUM, Value Expectation 2024. Out of 2024, Qtum QTUM cost expectation has a lot of space for development. Because of the likely declarations of various new associations and drives, we guess that the cost of QTUM will before long outperform $5.30. Notwithstanding, we ought to hold on to check whether the QTUM's overall strength file emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market instability, QTUM will exchange with a base exchanging cost of $4.24 and a typical exchanging cost of $4.66. Qtum, QTUM, Value Expectation 2025, assuming that the vertical pattern go on until 2025, it could reach $7.42 and QTUM might benefit. In the event that the market encounters a decay, the objective may not be met. QTUM is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $6.78 and a low of $6.36 in 2025. Qtum, QTUM, Value Expectation 2026, assuming that Qtum effectively helps market opinion among digital money aficionados, the QTUM coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, QTUM will be green in 2026. The QTUM is supposed to reach and outperform its unsurpassed high in 2026. In 2026, the virtual money will be valued at $9.54, with a base cost of $8.48 and a typical cost of $8.90. Qtum, QTUM, Value Expectation 2027, after some broad determining and specialized investigation, we gauge the QTUM cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of $11.03 by 2027, with a base cost of $10.60 anticipated before the year's end. Moreover, QTUM has a most extreme value worth of $11.66. Qtum, QTUM, Value Expectation 2028, because representing things to come organizations that are supposed to occur by 2028, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around $13.15. On the off chance that QTUM figures out how to break the safe level in 2028, we could see a greatest cost of $13.78. Neglecting to accumulate the help QTUM needs by 2028 could bring about a low of $12.72. Qtum, QTUM, Value Forecast 2029. While QTUM is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to rush connection, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed. So the base exchange cost has been set at $14.84 and a yearly cost close above $15.90 in 2029. Qtum, QTUM, Value Expectation 2030. By 2030, Qtum will at long last outperform its past ATH values and record new cost levels. The base cost could be $16.96 and possibly